In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fade an image in Figma. By the end, you'll know a simple, reliable way to create a smooth fade using a gradient background and a quick opacity adjustment. Start by opening Figma, either in your browser or the desktop app, and head into the file or frame where you want to work. Make sure you're on a frame that fits your design so it's easy to align everything later. Next, add your image. You can drag and drop it right onto the canvas or use the Place Image option. Position it roughly where you want it to sit. If you need to resize, drag from a corner so you keep the proportions intact, and let the smart guides help you center it precisely. Now add a rectangle shape. This rectangle will become the gradient surface your image will fade into. Draw it near your image. Don't worry about exact size yet. With the rectangle selected, look to the right-hand panel and click on Fill. Change the fill type to a gradient. A linear gradient works perfectly for a top-to-bottom or side-to-side fade. You'll see two color stops on the gradient handle. Make the upper color dark and the lower color brighter. For a classic fade to dark, set the top stop to a deep gray or black and the bottom to a lighter tone or your background color. You can rotate the gradient handle if you want the fade to run in a different direction. Send the rectangle to the back so it sits behind your image. You can do this from the right-click menu or the layer controls. Now, make the rectangle the same size as the image and line it up exactly underneath. Use the smart guides or match the width and height values in the right panel so their edges align perfectly. This alignment is key to getting a seamless fade. Click the image to select it, then lower its opacity in the right-hand panel. As you reduce the opacity, the gradient behind the image will begin to show through, creating that smooth fade effect. Adjust until it feels just right. Often somewhere between 40% and 80% works well, depending on your colors and contrast. If the fade needs to be stronger at the top or bottom, tweak the gradient stops or flip the gradient direction. That's it. You've created a clean image fade in Figma with full control over direction, intensity, and color, ready to drop into any layout.